construction. Still another construction site. Louvre.
Interesting concept.
Still the construction. Okay. But you know, this they will finish, you know, this area, they finish quickly because the main roads are open, you know, working. Can you see here?
Yeah.
The main roads are working.
Okay, good enough.
No, you can go there, you can go more. Yeah,
No, not necessary.
yeah? It's okay?
Not necessary.
We can go till there. No problem, we can. Can you go a little bit further? You want to go a little bit further? Maybe we see the main entrance.
Not necessary.
Huh?
Not necessary.
Yeah, if you like.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, خلاص,
Yep.
finish? Okay,
Thank you.
welcome. You can go from here, I think. No, not here. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.
This is like an industrial spot.